I have seen some people keep models of the Kaaba at home, and they treat that model as though it is real Kaaba, and they treat it with great respect and keep it on top shelf. Boy, tough question. So models of Kaaba, like souvenirs, you know, I know they don't mean to do it for the intention of worship or something, but however, I think we should not have models of Kaaba at homes. I know, I have seen it. We have a couple lying around here in the masjid also. Yeah, I've seen it. I think in our sisters section and also in the library. I think so. Kids did actually a project. There was a Hajj project that kids were doing. Yeah, for school project, for learning sake, maybe it's okay. Inshallah, I think it's okay. But to keep it at home as a souvenir and give it reverence, that's questionable. I would avoid that. I would stay away from that, because it can lead us to something close to shirk. Wallahu alam. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. There's only one Kaaba. Okay.